Coming up on GET,
we learn more about the VICC program,
taste some coffee with Mr. Verby,
and we learn what CHS students want for the holiday season. Did you hear about the ending of the VICC program?
No, what's that?
Riley gives us an inside look on the program.
My name is Ayla Hopper. I'm a senior at Clayton High School. The program I'm in is called VICC. It stands for Voluntary Interdistrict Choice Corporation, sometimes referred to as the desegregation program. It allows kids who live in the city, typically Black kids, to go into St. Louis County and attend county schools. I wish that teachers knew students who are in the VICC program are just like students who live in the district. I feel as though sometimes we're treated differently. There are some comments that I've heard that imply Black students coming from the VICC program are special when really we're just like all the other students. So originally, when the program was first started, it was intended to come to an end, but the courts kept extending the end date, and they finally came to the decision that the VICC program will be ending. As far as I know, this is the end. Since this is my last year, pretty much everything will remain the same. But for elementary schoolers and middle schoolers who are in the program, they will start seeing a lot less African American students coming into the district. What will start to happen is there will no longer be kids coming from the city, so that'll automatically decrease the amount of African American students who attend Clayton. It does make me upset because I want to see little Black girls and Black boys going to Clayton. I'm passionate about the VICC program because I always tell people I'm a city kid with an opportunity, and I'd like to say I benefited from it. I would like to consider myself smart thanks to the Clayton School District. I'm not the only person who deserves this opportunity. It's not fair that some African American students don't get to receive a good education based off of where they live.
Did you know Shane Dawson and Ryland Adams have children now?
Nah, you couldn't make me guess that even if I was blindfolded.
Speaking of blindfolds, Mr. Verby tries some coffees while blindfolded.
Hi, I'm Mahika.
I'm Mr. Verby, cold brew connoisseur, and on a daily basis, I consume caffeine that would kill most men.
And today we're going to be trying 4 different cold brews. First, we have Stokes, his personal favorite. And then we have
Black Rifle Coffee.
And then we have our favorite, Dunkin', Walmart generic brand.
Great value.
Great value. So we are going to be doing this blindfolded, and it is going to be a blind taste test.
I'm excited to have some coffee. It's my first coffee of the day.
Really?
Number 1.
Number 1.
All right. Good, mellow, solid bean. Bold, not too bold. This is pretty good cold brew. I'm thinking this is probably Dunkin'.
All right, next one.
Pretty good. The dilution might be off on this one. This is probably great value. Not too bad, but lacks a little bit of flavor.
This is our next one. Number 3.
Oh yeah, hints of chocolate, extra bold. This is my Stoke.
And then last one.
Yeah, not too bad. Good bitterness, good bean. This is either Great Value or Black Rifle. I'm gonna go with this being Black Rifle. So my ranking would be Stoke, then Dunkin', then Black Rifle, then Great Value. So that's my guess. That's my ranking. All right. Oh, wow. All right. So that was the order. This was first.
You got it right.
Oh, I got it right? This was my rank.
And
Did I get them all right?
Yeah.
How about that? All right.
Got
These are the
it.
official cold brew rankings, according to Mr. Verby. I definitely tasted the notes of, there's like subtle notes of chocolate on that. Dunkin' I've had plenty of times. So I kind of tasted kind of the bitterness and a slight little sour mix. So that tasted on point. Black Rifle Coffee was decent. I haven't had that a whole lot. And then Great Value's just okay. I think it was a little bit too diluted.
Mm-hmm.
So I lost a little bit of the flavor there. But yeah, that's the ranking. Stick by it. So, not switching today. Purple Stoke. That's the move.
The new Willy Wonka movie gets me in a baking mood.
Same. It turns me into a blueberry.
The STEM and humanity teachers face off and bake off.
The baking commences. Both Team Humanities and Team STEM cook with valor and wit. Team Humanities has brought a cookbook detailing the instructions on how to bake a pie crust. Team STEM heads straight for the ingredient table, swiftly snatching blueberries, heavy cream, butter, sugar, chocolate chips, and a pack of bacon, which has mysteriously materialized throughout the baking process.
As Team Humanities begins their crust, Team STEM unwraps their pre-made pie crust and begins to boast how many digits of pi they know. 3.14159 and some more. Mr. Kleinberg, head of the math department and AP Calculus teacher, confidently dictates. Back on the humanities side, they struggle to determine what filling to use in their pie. To this day, it is still unknown. Rumors hold that it is canned peaches, sugar, and the A+ your English teacher refuses to give you on your essay.
While Humanities obtains an early lead by getting their pie in the oven, Team STEM whips up a compelling concoction in the stand mixer. When it's finally time to put their pie in the oven, they discuss what temperature to cook it at: 375 Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius, 463 Kelvin. The cornucopia of ways to say the exact same number perplexes even Clayton's brightest STEM teachers. As STEM continues to be stumped by dimensional analysis, Humanities has started a separate side project.
They begin to melt chocolate chips in the microwave and use the melted chocolate as glue for sadistic marshmallow snowmen. Why they spent so much time making these figures instead of making pie in the pie competition is still unknown. Both teams realized 35 minutes to prepare and bake a pie was far from enough time, and plate their underbaked dishes in a deconstructed manner for the judges' pleasure.
My name is Kyle McCord. I believe I am qualified to judge this competition because I like to eat food and give my opinion on it.
Hello, my name is Jolly Deck, and I'm qualified to judge because I can say a lot of digits of pi.
My name is Caitlin Long, and I don't know if you've watched last year's Holiday Baking Challenge, but I was the previous champion, along with Alexander Schwint.
I'm Dr. Compton, and I think the jacket speaks for itself on why I'm qualified to judge today's competition.
Oh, all right. I like the little snow.
Interesting how none of them are
Snowmen.
pie-shaped.
Snow people.
Yeah.
Snow people. I can't tell if those are horns or eyes,
Oh, they're like little
but I like it.
It's certainly a choice.
I like the other
It's
one.
like
Looks almost like a little
dip
tart.
situation. This looks like more of like a dip, and this is like more of a deconstructed pie. Like they went a little artsy on us on this.
Bacon
Wait,
and syrup.
This
I mean,
is
good combo.
this is peck form syrup.
Oh.
wow.
Secret ingredient.
Homemade.
It is
That's good.
from Ontario.
How did they make bacon?
Okay, I feel like we need to. I feel like we need to dig in.
I think we need to eat it to find out.
Okay, let's.
Little dip on top. Okay,
It's like a cherry s'more.
it's warm. Now let's say
It kind of just tastes like graham crackers. Is there a flavor other than graham cracker? Is it just graham crackers?
Cool.
I'm not mad about it.
Good.
I'd eat it.
I would eat it.
Edible for sure.
I just can't say.
This team had pre-made crust.
But they
They didn't use it.
crust.
They just used graham crackers. Like what happened? They were given like where to go.
All right, let's dig in. We should get our own bowl. I guess we get our own
Okay.
bowl and like our own little, tiny
Very
little
cute.
Olaf.
This pie crust is looking very flaky and like nice actually.
We got some.
Which is impressive for the amount of time
This
they
looks
had.
like a burnt graham cracker.
So
I would
that's
say.
that's
There's
valid.
some burnt graham.
There's some
here.
burnt graham,
But
but
there's definitely some flaky crust.
the flaky crust is like
A
But, like,
buttery, flaky crust.
I appreciate that they did use the crust.
agreed.
Marshmallow kind of takes away from it.
Yeah, I
Like
agree.
texturing, although edible, does it really add to
It
the
doesn't.
dish?
I don't think
It
it
does
does.
It doesn't add.
No.
I think it takes away.
Mm-hmm.
I think I have my decision.
I think it's pretty clear.
Yeah, I think we've got it.
The judges have made their decision, and the winner is Team Humanities. Yes!
Hey Graham, what do you want for the holidays? Maybe a burger. You know Onika equals burger, right?
Duh. And she ate with Pink Friday too.
Brooklyn tells us what CHS wants for the holidays.
What do you want for Christmas?
For Christmas, I want a puppy. My dog's being put down.
I actually just put my dog down, so I would also like a puppy. But along with that, I would like some Skims.
So my dog's actually alive and well. But I would like a two-door white convertible Audi with heated seats and black interior.
I want a fast car. I want a black convertible and a new wallet.
I want a car for Christmas.
I want a new car.
I want a pink convertible Cadillac with white interior.
I want some money. Please give me some money, Santa. I want money. Cash.
Money! I want money. I want a new piercing done, specifically my vertical labret.
I want some posters for my room because it's kind of bland right now.
New shoes and new clothes.
I want panda dunks.
A whole new wardrobe.
Probably some jeans, shoes, and an A+ on all of my finals.
This year for Christmas, I want to get an Apple Watch and one of those UGG slippers. Yeah. I want UGG minis.
I want to get a new pair of Uggs and a new phone.
For Christmas, I want a new phone case and bath bombs.
For Christmas, I want world peace.
I want a unicorn.
For Christmas, I really want a new Frank Ocean album.
For Christmas, I want veneers.
Okay, for Christmas, I want some new AirPods.
I want the AirPod Pro Maxes.
I want a MacBook.
I want a BBL.
I want a 5.5.
I want a new iPad.
What I really want for Christmas this year is an automatic car starter.
This has been Holden
and Graham for GET,
a production of the Greyhound News Network.
Happy holidays, CHS.
You can do the reindeer. I do the noise.
I like that.
Can you see me?
I cannot see you.
You messed up.